Welcome to this presentation on the Trinity Distribution Enhancements module from Dynavistics. The Distribution Enhancements module is effectively a toolbox that contains several new areas of functionality to improve the effectiveness of your inventory control and sales transaction processing. These cover margin and part shipment control, inventory allocation management, barcode management, and additional inventory coding methods and customer inventory lists. In this video, however, we are concentrating on a number of enhancements to the stocktake process and the creation of new sales batches. We'll start with stocktake first. Here we have a count schedule that includes two items. I'm going to create the count sheet for this in the usual way, and I'm requesting that the captured quantity, which we expect to find in the warehouse, is printed on the report. There should be 300 of the first item and 270 of the second. One of the problems that we can encounter with the stocktake is that because the actual stock figure is not down-dated until we post the invoice, some of the captured quantity will not be on the shelf or in the pick bin, but in the dispatch area awaiting shipment. If you're using GP's advanced distribution, you can specify a cut-off point in the workflow. For sales documents that are beyond this point, their inventory quantities will be excluded from the captured quantity. Here I am requesting that documents whose status is confirmed pick, unconfirmed pack or shipped will not be included. So if we cancel the count, confirm that we want to utilize a cutoff point and restart the count and repeat the process, we can see that the captured quantities are different. But why is that? Well, if we look at the available to promise screen for item Z112, we can see that all 300 are allocated to one order, which has a document status of confirmed pick, ready to pack. In other words, the 300 are not in the warehouse pick bin, but in our packing department. Z113 has allocated stock of 240, of which 200 are in the same status of ready to pack. The other 40 are assigned to a new order which has not yet entered the pick-pack-ship cycle. Together with the 33 stock, it gives us our captured quantity of 70. Within standard Microsoft Dynamics GP functionality, when serial or lot numbered items are counted, a quantity is entered against the stocktake line, and then a quantity must be entered for each individual serial or lot line. The distribution stocktake enhancements you can choose to automatically allocate quantities to serial or lot numbers using the Mark All button, and then make any manual adjustments if required. For each count, a new report can be produced showing the value of adjustments so far. As standard, you can only add items to a stock count schedule by bin range if you are working in a multi-bin environment. As you can see here, the Enable Multiple Bins box is not ticked, so we are working in a single bin inventory system. Distribution Enhancement Stocktake functionality lets you add items to a stock count schedule by bin range in the stock count mass add window, even when you're not working in a multi-bin environment. Here, we're adding a range of items based on the bin reference held in the item quantity screen. As standard in Dynamics GP, a stock count can only be posted when all the items on the schedule have been counted. Now in practice, you may have counted and verified most items and may just have a few left to count or recount, as we can see on this screen. Distribution stocktake enhancements allows you to transfer items from one stock count schedule to another. Here we are transferring uncounted items from count 14.6 to new count schedule 14.6b. The result is that count 14.6 contains all our counted items and can now be posted, while count 14.6b contains just the outstanding items to count. Lastly, we'll look at creating new sales batches. This can be helpful if you need to separately process, say, orders or invoices for a particular customer. Here we've specified a new batch, add-on batch. We can specify the document type, such as quote, order, invoice or return. If we're using advanced distribution fulfillment orders, we can also filter based on document workflow stage. We can also select based on batch class, document ID, requested ship date or route. In this example, we're selecting all orders for add-on park. It results in our new batch containing 2 orders. So to summarise, distribution stock take enhancements allow you to amend the captured quantity based on an advanced distribution workflow stage, automate the allocation of counted quantities for lot controlled or serial numbered items, add items to a stock count by bin reference in a single bin inventory system, and transfer inventory items from one count to another. We've also seen how we can create new sales batches. This presentation is one of several short videos on our website that cover additional inventory, purchasing and order processing functionality that will complement your Dynamics GP system. I hope you found the presentation interesting. If you'd like to know more, please schedule your free demonstration today. Thank you.